Good morning, student. Welcome you. Okay. First two chapter we have completed. Now this is third chapter, business environment. Okay. In this chapter we will study about the environment of the business. Okay. The major objective, either which topic we will learn in this chapter. First, content as per the latest CBSE syllabus. First, business environment, concept and importance of the business, dimension of business environment, economic, social, technology and political, legal. This major points we will study in this chapter. Next, third, impact of government policy change on the business. Okay, what is the impact of government policy? How do you government policy impact on the environment of the business? So with the special reference to liberalization, privatization and globalization in India. Okay, these 3 points we will study in this chapter. Major liberalization, the policy implemented by the government for the people, as well as privatization. Nowadays privatization is very important points. It's going on process nowadays. Government so many department give to the in privatization sector. Okay, and globalization. Okay, these are the major points we will discuss in this chapter. First, meaning of business environment. Okay, we will understand the meaning of the business environment. In this meaning, business environment refer to force factor, individual and institution which are outside the control of business enterprises. Okay, in this points means special this points we will refer to the force factor and individual institution which are the outside the control of the business enterprises. Okay, which control the business enterprises, and but these are may affect its performance, and this can be affect the performance of the business. So this is included in the business environment. Okay, in simple word we can say other definition, other words we can understand this definition of this business environment. It is the surrounding in which business exists. Okay, the surrounding factor in which business exists. Thus the economic, social, political, technology, legal and other force which operate outside business enterprises are the part of business environment. Okay, this is known as the part of the business environment which affect our business. Okay, next, although this environment force exists outside the enterprises, but they are influence the business enterprises. For example, first, increase in tax by government make things expensive to buy. Okay, when the government increase the taxes, then product will automatically it will be costly. Whenever a consumer customer purchase this product, suppose we purchase this pencil within from the 5 rupees, then government increase the tax on the business, then the price of this pencil will be increased 5 to 6, either 7 rupee per pencil. Okay, when increase the tax by the government. Okay, when the government decrease the tax, the commodity price of the commodity will be decreased, and when the increase of tax by the government, the price of the commodity will be increased. Next, 2, technology change may exist products absolutely. Okay, technology change may exist product absolutely. Okay, the change, when we change the technology the product will be changed, the new quality, new appearance we will get. Now, change in the fashion taste, consumer may shift the demand in the market from exist product or new one. Okay, when the change of fashions. Okay, nowadays one by 1 year we see in the market there are so many new fashions comes in the market. Taste of the consumer may be shift the demand in the market. Okay, in the summer, when in summer season we see in the market that there are so many cold drinks, ice cream, a great demand in the market. But in winter season the demand of these cold drinks and other things it will be decreased. Okay, so this also affect the business enterprises. Okay, and next, increase in competition in the market may reduce the profit margin in the firm. Okay, when your firm is going on smoothly and get a huge profit in the market, but when new other competitor comes in the market, so the demand of your product will be decreased. Okay, suppose you purchase your books in the market for 400 rupees and another shopkeeper come into market and he sell these books in 350. So most of the consumer goes through the other shops. Okay, they will not purchase from your shop because of you pay 400 rupee per book and another shopkeepers provide book in 350, so they will be purchased from the other shop. Okay, so this competition, increase in the competition market may reduce profit margin in the firm. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपका जो प्राइस है जो फर्म है बिजनेस वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, since the environment factor. Okay, next, since the environment factor influencing business enterprises, so it become essential for the businessmen to do environment scanning. Okay, next, environment scanning. The definition of the environment scanning, it means complete awareness and understanding of the business. Okay, it means it is necessary to complete awareness in the market. Okay, you should be aware about your business, the market, and understanding the business environment. With the environment of scanning, business enterprises can anticipating the effect environment force and factor are their enterprises. Now, business environment provide constraint as well as the opportunity. Okay, the business environment provide both condition, constraint as well as the opportunity in the market for the business. For an example, the regulations such as MRTP Act and wealth restriction put constraint on the businessman. Okay, ये दोनों जो है businessman को कंट्रोल करके रखते हैं. बट ऑन द अदर हैंड द लिबरलाइजेशन पॉलिसी, import relaxation policy bring the opportunity for the businessman at the global level. Okay, now next, concentrate on the threat refer to the condition which restrict business activity. Opportunity refer to condition on which allow growth and expansion of the business activity. Okay, now in this feature either nature of the business environment, we will continue in next part. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.